This is probably the largest living room. I mean, talk about living large. Welcome to another episode, and this time I'm bringing you an REO opportunity in Howard Beach, New York. So don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to 14930 88th Street in Howard Beach. What's great about this condominium is the outdoor space. You have a nice seating area for the adults, and right over there, a small playground for the kids. Okay, so we're inside, and this lobby is a big lobby. Right over here, they have this major section, which unfortunately has been closed off due to the social distancing. Right over there, they've got a bench area, and over here, the mailboxes, they're just spread out all the way across. So you're not gonna be bumping into your neighbor while getting your mail. Plus, they have some designated space over here for packages to be dropped off. So while we're here, let me go ahead and show you the laundry facilities right down this hallway. Okay, so we're in the laundry area, and this is another massive space. You've got 7 washer machines. This is your biggest one here. And you've got 7 dryers, which are the largest one over there at the end. Folding tables, seating. You also have a wash basin, so if you've got any delicates and you want to do them by hand. I mean, this room really lends itself for all the dirty clothes you could possibly have. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the apartment. We're going up to the 2nd floor, right down here. The apartment we're going to see today is apartment 2K, and it is a massive 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a balcony. And here we are, apartment number 2K. And just when you enter, you're gonna find yourself with 2 large closets. This is a large shelf closet, and over here you have a coat closet. And you can drop all the outdoor gear before making your way to the grand living room. So we're here in the grand living space, which is plenty of room for large sofas and love seats, and even that favorite lazy boy. And on this end, we've got the dining room, and obviously my favorite, the balcony. My favorite part about this is that it's nice and shaded. It's nothing better than coming out and getting the nice cool breeze of the summer and enjoying the balcony all year round. You're still filming? Come on, man. I didn't know. I mean, this balcony is nice. I got caught looking at the birds or something. This alley style kitchen comes with everything you're gonna need. You've got new appliances, all stainless steel. Your dishwasher here is a large size for all the family and guests that come over. And these cabinets got room for food and so much more. Stepping right out of the kitchen, you're gonna find yourself with a bathroom to my right, a linen closet for this bathroom, and over here on this end, 3 bedrooms. So you've seen the other 2 bedrooms. Now let me tell you which is my favorite, and it is the master bedroom. Because aside from having this closet here, you step over into this area, and you've got 2 bifold doors with a massive closet. Close this off, and it's completely private. So you have your bathroom, your dressing area, and by the time you come out, you're ready for the show. So thanks for taking the tour of this REO opportunity. I'm sure there's more adventures to come, so make sure to subscribe. I'm from the neighborhood, and I know so are you, so I'll be looking forward to seeing your neighborhood and your homes. Let me know what else we can film. And in the meantime, I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.